The Bugatti Chiron, while a marvel of automotive engineering, has some hidden issues that enthusiasts and owners should be aware of. 1. Maintenance costs due to its advanced technology and high-performance components. Maintaining a Bugatti Chiron is extremely expensive. Routine maintenance can cost tens of thousands of dollars annually, and major repairs could be even more costly. 2. Complex electronics. The Chiron features a highly sophisticated electronic system that can sometimes be prone to glitches. Issues with the infotainment system, sensors, or other electronics have been reported, which can be challenging to fix due to the complexity and exclusivity of the parts. 3. Tire wear. The Chiron's tires are designed to handle extreme speeds, but they wear out faster than those on conventional high-performance cars. Regular replacement is essential, and the tires are costly due to their specialized design. 4. Limited service centers. Due to its exclusivity, Bugatti has a limited number of service centers around the world. This can result in longer wait times for repairs and service, especially in remote locations. 5. Transmission issues. Some owners have reported issues with the dual-clutch transmission, especially under extreme driving conditions. While these issues are rare, they can be expensive to resolve given the complexity of the gearbox. 6. Depreciation concerns. Despite its incredible performance, the Chiron's value tends to depreciate over time, though at a slower rate compared to other cars. This can be a hidden concern for buyers looking for an investment-grade supercar. These issues, though not widespread, reflect the challenges of owning a hypercar like the Bugatti Chiron, where performance and luxury come at a significant price.